Hello everybody, Mike Dauzvardis here, or Dr. D, or Dr. Death. You can call me whatever you want, just don't call me late to dinner. That's an old Henny Youngman joke. Today we're going to try to repair the veneer on a table. This is an antique table that was given to me years ago. I am refinishing it for my daughter. We're going over there for Easter. I'm going to surprise her with this table. It's a mid-century modern table with kind of this heavy, almost pickled finish. And it's got 2 leaves, and the whole table is about 8.5 foot with the leaves. I worked on the bulk of the table already. I could have used a chemical stripper. Had a lot of big water spots and everything. But I didn't want to deal with the mess at this time and the water and the steel wool, so I decided to just sand the hell out of it with 60 grit sandpaper. Now I sanded on it. I sanded and sanded on it for like 8 hours. Well, 6 hours. And I barely scratched the finish, 60 grit sandpaper. I was all ready to throw the towel in, and then I grabbed this beast, which is a wallpaper scraper. See that? Wallpaper scraper. And I went and I might even be able to scratch a little bit here. Went on the thing. And look at that. See how I pulled that right off? So I ended up doing the whole table like that. It was a pain. It was a lot of work, but I scraped everything off and then I could sand. But that was with the bulk of the table, so I'm going to actually have to do that with the 2 leaves. But before I do that, today's mission is to fix that loose veneer on the edge. Fortunately, it's just on that edge there. The bottom is coming off a little bit too, but it's mainly the top we're worried about. So we're going to handle that. We're going to try to glue that back down today. So, okay, what's our first step? Our first step is to cover this antique round oak table with some old towels so the wife doesn't take a Griswold cast iron frying pan to the side of my head. So we'll do that, lay those down. Yes, my head is out of the picture. You don't need to see my head. You can look me up on Google Images if you want to see my face. Okay. Cover that with that. Let's get back our board up here. So how am I going to do this? How am I going to fix that veneer? How am I going to glue that down? That's not the side I'm looking for. This is the side I'm looking for. How am I going to glue that veneer down? Well, I'm going to inject some Type Bond glue in there, but we want to get in there nice and deep, right? So what's the secret here? I'm going to try taking a bunch of toothpicks right here. Look at that fancy little toothpick dispenser I stole from the wife. I'm going to take those toothpicks and I'm going to use them to kind of make sure that we're pried open here, so we can get the glue in there. Here we're pretty good. Here we're a little tight, so let's get in there with the toothpicks so we can get in there with that glue without prying that open any more than we have to. It might be, maybe we'll get one more in down here at the bottom, right there. So you can see that. See where we got those toothpicks in there? I don't think we need them up here because we're flopping in the wind up at this point right here. Okay. So now what are we going to do? Well, we're going to slap a lot of glue. I want to use a board. So I'm going to use a stick, this stick, and we're going to clamp that over the edge like this. Of course, we're going to pull the toothpicks out after we get the glue in there. So, but a lot of glue is going to ooze out. So what I want to do is get the dust off of here, take some handy dandy painter's tape and run it along that edge so any glue that oozes up won't glue our stick to the surface of the table. Then we'd be in trouble. Couldn't get our stick off. I think that's pretty good. Look at that. Okay, we got our 3M on our fingers on there, pretty good. Alright, what I'm going to try next, I'm going to try filling this little syringe here. I don't know what, I think this was from an ear cleaner or something. I don't know. Doesn't everybody have syringes laying around the house? Okay, so let's get some glue in there. I hope it comes out the end okay. I don't know. We'll find out. We're going to make a mess, of course. There's a lot of air in there. Should I let the air get out? You know, they do this when they're injecting you in the hospital so you don't get an air embolus and the air doesn't travel to your brain or your heart and kill you. I'm going to pretend I know what I'm doing here. The air bubble's not really moving, so. Oh, we're getting a little air out the top. Come on, baby. You can do it. It worked. It's all air and now glue. Cool. I got enough in there. Alright, let's see if we can make this happen, huh? Trying to keep this in the view of the camera here. Hopefully it is. Let's go to town. Working it in there, working it, working it. I think we did pretty good. Get it in there good, deep. Okay. Worked that in there pretty good with that needle. I hope you can see that. Alright, what I'm going to do now is I have a little business card here. I think what we can do here is on some of these thin areas, we can work it in a little farther. I don't think that's necessary up here because it's going to squeeze out like all hell. Alright, now we pull our toothpicks out and we hope to hell we got enough glue in there, because I'm not going to be able to redo this. Let me take a look. Looks good. I think it looks good. Got all the glue in there. Glue is oozing out good. Looks like a good amount of glue here. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, did I get enough in there? I think so. Okay, now we want our stick over here. Line up. Now we're going to take 1,000,000 C-clamps right here. You can't have enough C-clamps when you're doing woodwork, right, woodworkers? Can't have enough C-clamps. Move this down. Get one on this end here. Okay. And I got 7 of them, so we can just kind of work our way around here. Got some good oozing going on. Yeah, baby. Look at that stuff ooze out. That's good. That's a good sign. You can all see that oozing out real nice there. And I got 7 of them, so let's put them to good use. Two more. He's good, he's good. Who needs another one? How about right here? And then maybe right here. Let's move this over a little bit. I wish I had one more clamp. You know, one more clamp. Another clamp. This one over just a little bit here. And this one's going off. What do we got? We got a mess. Looks like we got the veneer. It's got glue on all the edges there. Okay. Now all we can do is kind of clean some of that up before it drips all over the world. Else half acre. Little glue on the face there is not going to help any. It's not going to hurt any. I mean. Could have got a little more glue down there, but we'll hope for the best. There you go. All right, there you go. So we're gonna let that sit for 24 hours. Hopefully we caught most of the free edge. It was still attached on the far edge there, so there's not glue oozing out there, but we got glue oozing out everywhere else. Looks pretty good to me. I would say we were successful. Yeah. A little bit of glue in here. We're going to attach our board there. All right, so what we're going to do there, I think that worked so far. We'll wait 24 hours. We'll come back, and I'll show you the finished product 24 hours from now. All right, have a good day. Get yourself a drink and a hot dog. All right.